So this is some items that I will be giving away all over here. I got this. I found this in my laundry room, but I don't have a bag to like put the stuff in, so I'm just gonna put them in here. Got these boots right here. I don't ever wear. It's time to go. Got some shoes for urban outfitters. These are like some shoes for Payless. Shoe sores. Just some sweaters and things, shirts that I'm never gonna wear. A coat that was my son's. A hat, visor. More hats that belong to my son. Sunglasses. Maybe he still wants these. I'll hold on. This is just a box of coasters. More Bacardi coasters. An old computer that I do not want anymore. Just like a whole bunch of like games now. Like Xbox 360 games that my son doesn't play anymore. Also Wii games. I've been, like, he hasn't had a Wii in years. I don't know why he still had games for part of a Wii game. And then he bought a whole bunch of like bootleg DVDs, y'all. I don't even have a DVD player. The Wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I might want to watch that one day. So yeah. Need for Speed. The rest of these is going up in here. I'm about to get rid of these boxes right here. And maybe I will go and put these in like one of those dumpsters again like I did last week. But I'm still getting my laundry room together, so that's the goal for this week. Let me show y'all what I did so far as putting up the shelf. So, I already had this shelf up, which has lots of stuff on it. And then I needed one more shelf. Now, as you can see, I put the shelf up by myself because I'm Superwoman. And it's actually pretty straight. And if you can see this blemish, this is like spackle because I had 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I told my son, make sure that they are lined up correctly. So I was trying to measure and space all the hooks. But no, kids, they don't listen. They want to go ahead and be fast, and he jacked it up. But luckily for me, I had some spackle to fix it. So right now, I'm just like decluttering. I have like some pillows and just some things in here that do not belong in here. So I'm about to get to business with that. So we're back over here.
I knew it was.
It says 666 on the camera thingy. You know 666 is not what you think it is. You need to study numerology, my dude. So, we're back at the bins again because I have been doing a massive declutter in my home. I swear that I'm about to be a minimalist, but we'll see. So, I'm sitting y'all up on top of my core. Y'all wiggling. I got the offspring helping me. I'm not your offspring. So what are you? What are you?
I'm a person.
He's not my offspring. He's a person. Type of bags, the bags that you get your comforters and stuff in, put stuff in it and try to put it in there because my bag is actually
teach me how to drive right now.
Who wants to learn how to drive? All right, get inside. Alright, let me put my seatbelt on. Don't make me regret this, yo.
So where we going?
All you doing is pulling up. I'm scared for you to even go towards the river because I don't want to end up in it.
Quit out! Right? I gotta remember the big one, right?
What is the big one?
That brake.
Yes!
Alright, so
Cordell, step on
we're
the
going
brake.
forward, right?
Step on the brake, put it in reverse. Alright, now let your foot off the brake a little bit and go backwards. Go backwards. Straighten out the wheel, bro. No, yeah, that way, that way. The other way. Cordell, stop slamming on the brakes.
We're reversing to go that way.
Alright, put it in drive. Alright, now go straight. Go slow though, like extra slow. Look.
So we're leaving straight?
No.
Is it? Which way is it?
Throw him. Now go.
Alright, there we go.
Alright. Don't do it. I'll never help you again. Go to the right.
I'm not even on the gas.
The right.
Just rolling. All we gotta do
Derecha, la derecha. Go, go, go. A la derecha. Now, Cordell, don't go fast because we're facing the river. And I swear for God, I'm not ready to go just yet. Alright, can we stop being old and shit? I mean...
You said you swear for God and I'm over here.
Golly,
my ankle hurt.
This is the Passaic River, guys. Okay, go to the right. Steer to the right. Y'all see that river? That's such a beautiful sight. Look at that. I love graffiti buildings and stuff. You better roll slow. And you got to build up to going over 5 miles per hour. Today, we're going 5 miles per hour. Next week, you can go 7.
Where do I want to park?
Did you drive before?
Actually, let's... Wait.
Don't park next to the pole because I don't trust you.
It's reverse.
But you got to look back before you start backing up. Did you even check?
Yeah.
Alright. Go. Go. Oh, you trying to back into a spot?
Yeah.
What kind of fancy?
It's not turning.
No, you're not turning. You can't even park in the little spots like this. How you going to parallel park?
Turning this way. Come on, turn.
Why are we doing the most to turn, my dude? Why you gotta back in? You can't even see the back of the curb. I don't trust it. Just pull in because you might crack up my bumper or something.
Alright, so just go straight?
Yes. Go into this spot right here. Okay, this is the goal. We're trying to get into one of these spots right here. Alright, go forward. Go up, 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 up. Okay, right here. Aki, stop.
Bingo.
Para. Okay. Alright, so you gonna take my photo out here?
Yeah.
Look at how this looks beautiful in this lens. Alright, so let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Let me bring y'all in a little bit. Alright.
You don't catch cramps when you drive?
No.
My leg, like my ankle hurt.
Everything seems so far in this camera, but it's really not. I could probably swim across this river, yeah.
I could too.
Alright. So how did you feel about driving for your very first time?
I was already experienced.
Experience? How you gonna be experienced and you never drove before?
You know that. You see that parking job? Is that not experienced enough?
Alright, so let's close out the vlog. everything was going very swell, and then Cordell met this hole in the ground that took him out. Darn it. How you learn that dance? Who taught you?
You watch YouTube.
Really, dog?
My leg. Ow.
That was real good, Joe. You should have did a Beyonce and just hopped up and started dancing. Oh no, you bleeding.
Duh.
You want to go to the hospital?
It's not broke.
But how do you know?
Cause I can walk.
Is your shoes messed up?
Yes.
Let me see. Can they be cleaned? Can I wash them?
I don't know. This is gone.
Never a dull moment.
Why is that big hole right there?
They knew you was about to come through and start dancing.
Who put the hole?
I shouldn't have turned. I turned the camera off. I should have got the whole reaction. All right, y'all. Signing out. Bye.